Ever found the perfect holiday package, but the dates or airport didn't suit you? No worries, you can customize it to fit your needs. Let's show you how it works. First, head to x-holidays.com and explore destinations like New York, the Maldives, and Dubai. Let's pick Dubai and Sofitel Jumeirah Beach. Once on the booking page, click Modify Search to adjust details. Need a different airport? Just select the new location. Let's choose Manchester. Next, to adjust the dates, click the check-in box. Let's go with October 4th to 11th, 2025. You can also add travelers or extra rooms. When you're ready, hit search. Your package will update with the new dates and airport. To view your current flights, click Flight Information for a summary. Then, if you'd like to customize further, click Change Flight to modify airlines, baggage, departure times, and more. Select your flight, then click See Details. Now, review your holiday details. Want to upgrade your room or add breakfast? Scroll down, make your selection, and watch the price update instantly. When you're satisfied, click Book Your Holiday. Next, for extras like private transfers or car rentals, just click to add. Then, pick a payment option: low deposit, monthly payments, or pay in full. Enter passenger info, click Next, final details to proceed to payment. Enter your details, and hit Pay Now to confirm. Your holiday is now booked and ATOL protected for peace of mind. Don't wait to make your dream trip a reality. Start customizing today at x-holidays.com.